Assalamualaikum. Today we are going to present about the distillation column. My name is Ain Naswa binti Hasnan. My metric number is 192531.
Hi, my name is Siti Fatihah binti Maisa. My metric number is 193844.
My name is Wana Zahliana binti Wan Yusuf. My metric number is 192032.
So I will go through into the introductions. For the aim of the project is we want to calculate the distillation column for methanol water using the Aspen and the Excel. So this part will explain by the Fatihah. So in this project we want to see the difference between the Aspen Plaza and also the Excel. So the inlet of the distillation column, the raw material is methanol and water. The mole flow rate is 0.65, and this one is for methanol, and 0.34 is for the water. So these two is the mole fractions of the distillation column. The operations is at 1 atm and 82 degrees Celsius. So this one is the distillation column of our project. This one is the feed stream, as I mentioned yearly. This one is our product, and this one is our bottom product. So what we want is at the top product. So I will pass to Teha to
For the Aspen Plus, mana Aspen Plus ni? Okay. The calculation type as equilibrium, and then the condenser work with total condenser. The reboiler is the kettle. The number of stages is assumed to be X stages. Reflux ratio of 5, and then the type of tray we use bubble cap tray, and the result is mole fraction at the distillate for methanol is 0.98242, while at the bottom product is 0.268902, and then the methanol product is being purified is about 30% from the actual mole fraction. And then the sizing is the diameter 7.4676, and the height is 24.6888 meter. While for the Excel spreadsheet, the mole fraction at the inlet stream and outlet stream is same because we take it from the Aspen. Calculate manually the Q line and MC line in order to calculate the number of stages. The Q line is assumed as 1 since the operation is held at the temperature saturated for the methanol. For enriching line, we have to calculate the minimum ratio by using the methanol water equilibrium graph, and the minimum ratio reflux ratio is 0.9161846. The reflux ratio obtained 0.928296, and the equation for enriching is calculated by using the formula in the textbook. The number of stages obtained is 6.2, include reboiler, and the height is 10.2076 meter.
Okay, so I will proceed with what Fatihah have said. So this is the graph for the manual calculation using Excel spreadsheet, which is we get about 6 graph including the reboiler. So we have to minus it with 1 to get the actual graph. Then for the discussion part, there is a slight difference between the calculation using Aspen Plus and the calculation using Excel spreadsheet. The reflux ratio in Aspen Plus is higher compared to the manual calculation because we just estimate the reflux ratio and we put it into the simulation. But as the higher the reflux ratio, it means that the amount of water flow down the column will be higher and can cause the top column to cool. The number of stages have difference. It may occur because during the calculation in the manual for the height of DC, it's a slight difference because the height for the DC is using the reflux ratio. The reflux ratio for both manual and Aspen is have a huge difference. So this is for our discussion in unit operation for the distillation column. So that's all from us. Thank you.